So I just got here and the door's locked.
There it was, very nice.
All right, we're heading off.
Wow.
Good morning.
The main cabin door open. Once the main cabin doors about to be closed, our evacuating button will be switched off.
That's me. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. First thing I need is a Slim Jim because I'm starving. Found it. Look at that. Yummy, 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 yummy. So I just got here and the door's locked and now I have to wait to figure out how to get in. All right, we're here. We are in Montana. I'm here. Nobody else made it. The family is still on their plane. I got in a bit early, I guess, which is kind of lucky. All right, let's go out here. There's still a bunch of construction, so oh, look at that. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
Morning, Connor.
Hello.
They're very good and like happy vloggers. Let's see. Is this one happy to be on camera? Good morning.
Good morning.
There we go. That's slightly better. Not great. Let's see. Why don't we go outside? Actually, to go outside, we need this. Oh. Haha. Oh wow. Look at that. That's crazy. It's time to go shooting. Are you excited? Okay, cool. What about you, Dad?
Oh, it's going to be so cool.
Cool. All right.
You got
All right, so that's the end of day 1 here in Montana. It was pretty fun, pretty eventful. I mean, shooting in the morning was just crazy, and then in the afternoon, the UTVing around the mountain, that was just utterly gorgeous, and the views at the top, just incredible. And we just finished dinner on the porch, so I think that's where I sign off for the day. We're just gonna go and play some cards, so see you tomorrow. Alrighty. Good morning, people. It is 6 in the morning, and I spent the morning time-lapsing, and if it worked, you just saw it. So, today I don't know what I'm doing. In the morning, I think it's just a relaxed morning, and then in the afternoon we go off to Cedar Camp, and we're gonna get there by horse. So, I'm quite excited. It's gonna be nice. I don't even know what Cedar Camp is. I just know it's a camp, and we take horses to get there, and we spend the night there. So, awesome. Alright. See you guys. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, we're heading off.
Stay here. Wow.
So when you get off, if your knees have been sore in a battle, you make sure that everything's...
All right, we are here at Cedar Camp. Let's take a look at that. Wow. We just had a brilliant dinner, and we're gonna go and check out the bed situation. Let's go over here. We got the large little step right here, and there we go. Wow, this is proper bed right here. Whew, that's fun. We have more mattresses, I guess. We can head down. Oh, nice little creek in between. And then we have another bedroom. Look at that. Another step, and there we go. That's beautiful. All right, well, I think this is good. Just stunning. Look at that view. Wow. Utterly insane. All right. I think it's time that I head to the fire and do some dessert. All right, good morning. We are at Cedar Camp. It was a really nice night in the tents. Let's just go over and say hi to some of the horses, huh? Let's look at that. Hello, horses. Hi. 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 This guy's also like, hi. What's up? All right, and oh, you want me to pet you again one more time? Let's go over here. Oh, there's another horse. I'll show you guys the waterfall. You gotta be a little bit careful here. So that's Cedar Camp for you. It's really, really pretty. It's really nice and relaxing. And I think we're gonna have breakfast now and hop back on the horses and head down. It was a fun little trip. I'm excited for the ride back. Apparently it has even better views than yesterday.
All these services are not.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh, no, you can all take your gas first.
Oof. Oh God. Wow. Wow. All right, so that was a crazy trip. I just got home and wow. That was a really crazy, beautiful trip. I mean, everything. I think the images just, everything you just watched just says it for itself. So I guess, wow, great trip. That's it for the vlog, I guess.